Right, so this is by popular demand. I'm here again. I've got some subscribers that keep requesting songs. So I've got my colors on today and I'm in that frame of mind. Not too stressed today. I'm just taking it all nice and easy because I'm indoors. The sun is shining outside, but I'm indoors, so I'm not sneezing and I'm not coughing. And I haven't taken any tablets today for any hay fever. So, ooh la la, I'm happy, happy, happy. But my first song on the list, listen out, because this is for my favorite YouTube subscribers. All right. This is the first one on my list. And it's about Akis. All my songs today will be about Jamaican fruits, okay? Right, here goes. Do not listen to the voice today because it's rusty. Don't listen to it because I don't want any. If you're going to criticize me, make it be constructive. All right? Here goes. Carry me Aki go Linstead Market, not a quatty would sell. Carry me Aki go Linstead Market, not a quatty would sell. Oh Lord, what a night, not a bite. What a Saturday night. Oh Lord, what a night, not a bite. What a Saturday night. Everybody come feel up where them woman no bring. Everybody come and feel up where them woman no bring. Oh Lord, what a night, not a bite. What a Saturday night. Lord, what a night, not a bite. What a Saturday night. There goes. So that's about, I'm singing about Aki. And it's about back in the day when people used to sell their Akis and everybody come feel up and not buying and stuff like that. So the second song will be about um what should I sing about? I'm gonna sing about mangoes. All right. Oh Lord, I can't remember the mango song. I'll come back to the mango song. Let me sing about coffee. Me coffee, me coffee, me coffee, me coffee. Me bowl of boiling coffee in the morning. I care for none of these. The only thing for me is me bowl of boiling coffee in the morning. Some people like the coffee. Some people like the tea. Me yellow heart breadfruit, ripe pear and coconut oil. But sometimes when I get hungry, I do not like that tea. Just give me bowl of coffee in the morning. Me coffee, me coffee, me coffee, me coffee, me bowl of boiling coffee in the morning. I care for none of these. The only thing for me is me bowl of boiling coffee in the morning. There's a song for every fruit in Jamaica. The next one that I'm going to sing about is banana. Banana, banana, banana. Woo! Come we go down as swallows. Figure by banana. Come we go down as swallows. Figure by banana. Come we go down, come we go down, come we go down as swallows market. Come we go down, come we go down. Figure by banana. Why you? Banana, why you? Banana, green one. Banana, ripe one. Banana, round along. Banana, lockatan. banana. Come we go down, come we go down, come we go down as soul as market. Come we go down, come we go down. Figure by banana. Woo! All right. So me go sing about coconut now. It's a whole heap to sing about coconut. All right. Coconut. Me go sing about the coconut woman. Coconut woman is calling out, and every day you can hear her shout. Coconut woman is calling out, and every day you can hear her shout. Get your coconut water, coconut, man it good for your daughter. Coconut, coconut a lot of iron. Coconut, make you strong like lion. Coconut. A woman tell me the other day, no woman can take her sweet man away. I ask her what is the mystery. She say coconut water and rice curry. So get your coconut water, coconut. Man it good for your daughter. Coconut, coconut a lot of iron. Coconut, make you strong like lion. Coconut. Yeah man, Jamaica coconut good for every little thing. Rice and peas, porridge, the whole works. Even the trash can make pudding. That's the beauty of Jamaican fruits. Now, mango walk. Mango walk. Mango, black mango. I can't remember the mango song for the life of me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sing about the what list man them, yeah? I'm going to sing about the what list man them. Woman a heavy load. Woman a heavy load. Woman a heavy load. When Friday evening come. For when the money not enough. When the money not enough. And me say when the money not enough. She call you lazy boy. She call you drunk crow. She call you crow bait. But when the money enough, when the money enough, when the money enough, she call you sweetheart. She call you darling. She call you peep squeak. I'm going to leave that with you for today. I'm not going to bore you. When I'm in a better frame of mind, I bring you some more songs, alright? So look after yourself. Yeah, look after yourself and keep subscribing. Don't worry, be happy. Life is just for living. I saw it go, yeah? Enough respect. Bless upon yourself. Cindy British said that. Alright, cool, cool.